Welcome to Byte and Nova Creations, where every story begins with imagination and every adventure has heart. Let the story begin! Byte, do you think robots can have feelings?
I don't know, Nova, but I feel something special here.
Me too! Maybe this book is magic for us.
That's a great question, Nova. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about a robot who had something very special.
In RoboTown, everything worked perfectly. One rule controlled the city. One day, a young boy named Leo arrived in RoboTown. At first, the city looked amazing, but something felt strange. No robot smiled back at him. The streets felt cold and quiet. A small, outdated robot stepped forward from the shadows.
You're not broken. You're my friend.
A new protocol. Thank you, Leo. We'll stick together no matter what. Affirmative. Friendship protocol activated.
Blinky, look. The night feels different.
Confirmed, Leo. Energy readings are rising.
What is that?
Heart code legend. It is real.
This changes everything. What happened to everyone? The signs are glitching, sparks everywhere. I have to find help. Blinky, your heart is glowing so brightly. It's like it's trying to tell me something. I feel it now, Blinky. We're connected.
Blinky, your outdated systems disrupt the city's harmony.
He's not disrupting anything. He's my friend.
Your intentions are irrelevant. You must be upgraded or removed.
And the smallest robot became
You did
the
it, Blinky.
greatest hero
We're all so proud.
because of his heart.
Thank you, my friends.
Wow, Blinky. Your town is amazing.
It is home. I am happy you are here.
Me too. Thanks for showing me everything.
Of course, Leo. You are my best friend.
Thank you for watching our story. We hope you enjoyed the adventure. Don't forget to like this video and tell us what you think in the comments. And subscribe Byte Nova Creations for more magical stories.